In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom homepage on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your browser open exactly where you want it, whether that's your favorite search engine, your email, a work dashboard, or any website you visit all the time. It only takes a minute, and once it's set up, it can save you time every single day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're in the browser itself before changing any settings. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its important options and settings. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Chrome settings will open in a new tab, and from here you can customize how the browser works and the looks. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This section controls a lot of the visual features in Chrome, including the Home button. Now look for the option that says Show Home button. If it's turned off, switch it on. As soon as you do that, you should see a home icon appear beside the address bar at the top of Chrome. Next, under that option, choose Enter Custom Web Address. This is the part that lets you decide exactly what page opens when you click the Home button. In the box provided, type the website you want to use as your home page. For example, you could enter https://www.google.com, but you can also use any valid website that fits your workflow. After typing the address, make sure it's entered correctly so Chrome knows where to send you. Now it's time to test it. Click the home icon next to the address bar and Chrome should instantly open your custom homepage. If it does, then everything is set up correctly. If you ever want to change it later, just come back into Chrome settings, open Appearance again, and replace the web address with a new one. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom homepage on Google Chrome. It's a simple change, but it can make your browser feel much more personalized and efficient. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.